Hi guys, good morning. It's me again, Mudranel. So today is Saturday and kasal sa ko ang pamangkin karon. So, it's a simple wedding. So, kagapon lang siya nag-ingon sa ko na gusto siya og cake. So, mga I think noon na to siya and karon na kasal morning. So, lisod na kaayo maka-order og customize and hirap pod for me na mag-pick up. So, we decided na magpalit na lang og ready-made na cake, mag-DIY na lang, nagpalit ko pang topper, pang decor, and hopefully nice ang result. Don't bash me, this is my first time, and hopefully okay. So, thank you everyone! Have a nice day! God bless!